What happens when one of the most respected watchmakers in the world revives a discontinued icon and wraps it in an exclusive gold alloy? This is the Lange Söhne Lange Daymatic Honeygold, and it might be the most elegant return of 2025. The Lange Daymatic first appeared in 2010 as the automatic version of the legendary Lange 1, but it wasn't just a copy. Rather than placing the time display on the left like the original, the Daymatic mirrors the layout, positioning the hour and minute dial on the right for better visibility under a shirt cuff. The power reserve display is replaced by a retrograde day-of-week indicator perfectly aligned with the watch's practical, everyday spirit. Over the years, the Daymatic appeared in yellow gold, platinum, and white gold, and then quietly disappeared from Lange's lineup, until now. For the very first time, the Daymatic is crafted in Lange's proprietary Honeygold, warmer than rose gold, softer than yellow gold, and harder than both. It gives this 39.5mm case an almost glowing presence. The brown solid silver dial perfectly complements the tone of the case. On the right, you have the time display. Down at 8 o'clock is the small seconds, and at 11 is the iconic outsized date with crisp white numerals. Arcing gracefully on the left side is the retrograde day display, one of the most charming details on this watch. Every hand, index, and frame is finished in Honeygold, creating an incredibly rich and unified look. Inside is the in-house Lange calibre L021.1 automatic movement. It's powered by a central 21K gold rotor with a platinum mass for efficiency, beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour, and delivers a 50-hour power reserve. But the real magic is in the finishing. Glashütte ribbing, hand-polished bevels, gold chatons, and a beautifully hand-engraved balance cock, all visible through the sapphire caseback. This is traditional Saxon watchmaking at its finest. Limited to just 250 pieces worldwide and paired with a taupe alligator strap, the Lange Daymatic Honeygold isn't just a watch. It's a celebration of history, craftsmanship, and quiet luxury. Would you take this over the classic Lange 1? Let me know below.